Hello, I don't really know how to start this, so I will just start it. If you're watching this, it probably means I finally decided to stop overthinking and just press record. I'm not here as an expert, not as a motivational speaker, not as a guru, just a man trying to figure things out. I'm in my early 30s. I studied different things, worked different jobs, lived different version of myself. Civil engineering, HR, digital marketing, admission, tech, security, recruitment. I reinvented myself more times than I can count. And if I'm honest with you, sometimes that feels powerful. And sometimes it feels like I'm still searching. I came here with an ambition, with the plans, with the fire that desperate people carry, the quiet promise to themselves. I will beat something bigger than my path. And I've worked hard, very hard. I chased degrees, I chased titles, I chased opportunities. I sat in interviews trying to sound confident while my heart was racing. I written applications at 2 a.m., convincing institution why I deserve a chance. And here the truth no one really talks about. You can do everything right and still feel uncertain. There were times I thought, if I just get this job, I feel secure. If I just earn this amount, I feel stable. If I just build this business, I will finally relax. But every milestone just unlock a new level of pressure. And recently, I've been asking myself something uncomfortable. What I'm actually building? Is it freedom? Is it stability? Is it status? Or is it just survival dressed up as an ambition? I always had this entrepreneurial voice in my head, ideas about automated businesses, a scalable system, digital products, vending machine, platform, things that don't rely on begging someone for a salary increase. Because deep down, I don't like depending on a system I can control. But at the same time, I value security, a structure, a steady income, predictability. So I'm constantly balancing two versions of myself, the safer strategist and the restless builder. And maybe that's why I'm making this channel. Not because I've made it, not because I have the answers, but because I am in the middle of it, in the tension, in the rebuilding, in the questioning. I've seen what happened when the life shifts suddenly. Health scares, financial pressure, future uncertainty, career instability. You realize very quickly that tomorrow isn't guaranteed and that time is a real currency. I don't want to wake up at 45 and realize I optimized my CV but neglected my life. I don't want to spend decades becoming impressive on paper and invisible to myself. So this channel, if I'm gonna be honest, it's selfish. It's accountability. It's documentation. It's me saying I'm going to build something meaningful and I'm going to show the process. Not the polished version, not the fake success montage, the real version. The doubt, the discipline, the small wins, the failures, the pivots. Maybe I build a business. Maybe I scale something global. Maybe I completely change the direction again. Whenever happens, I want it to be international. And if you're watching this and you also in that strange space, not lost, but not settled, I see you. We are not behind. We are just early in a different story. And here's something else. I'm not just going to sit here and reflect. I'm going to document this entire unemployment journey. The applications, the rejections, the silence, the interviews that go nowhere, the confidence dips, the mental battles. Because nobody really talks about what it feels like to apply for hundreds of jobs and hear nothing back. Nobody talks about how rejection slowly starts whispering things to your identity. So I'm going to show it. Not from the perspective of someone who made it, but from someone who's in it. And I will share everything I learned. What works, what doesn't, how to structure applications, how to handle interviews strategically, how to manage your mindset when your confidence drops, how to position yourself when the market feels brutal. If I crack something, if I figure out patterns, if I improve my hit rate, you will see it in real times. And if I fail, you will see that too. Because I don't believe in pretending to be an expert from the sidelines. I believe in learning publicly. So if you are unemployed, if you are transitioning, If you're getting rejected, or if you just feel stuck, stay. We'll figure it out together. Not from the theory, from every experience that we had along the way. Anyway, this is the beginning. No dramatic ending, no background music, just a man with a camera deciding to stop waiting. Let's see where it goes.